Have you seen this before? It's a sharpener.
Hari tu Daniel ni Humaira Haida yang dah bayar.
Look at that. This is how we sharpen it. Wow, that's very cool. Look at it. Is it sharp? Look. Hey, wait. It's not very clear, but yes. Wow. Cool. Look at that. See how sharp it is. Yeah. Well done. But it's a white color pencil.
Before and after ke?
Okay, let's try another one. And wow, what are we watching on?
Here.
Okay. Okay, before that,
Before.
would be, look at it. Right, okay, let's put it in. How do we put it in? Show everyone.
Press here.
Okay, there it goes in. And you sharpen it. Take out. Aha, very sharp. Well done.